Okay, waking up today to quite a surprise.
I guess this is growing up. Yeah, I guess this is growing up.
Here is the damage. It was nice and toasty yesterday. Woke up to a 12-inch blizzard in Virginia today. Look at all that. It's very beautiful. So we don't even have snow shovels right now. So we use like a flathead out there and then had to borrow some snow shovels from the neighbors. And to boot, the power's out. So these kids are learning what it's like to not have the convenience of Wi-Fi and iPads and computers. I think I heard Landon yell, "We don't even have an Alexa!"
Yeah.
Why, did you try to ask her something?
Lucy was trying to put on a song.
Oh, I got an idea. Let's listen to music. Alexa!
Oh, we don't have that.
Alexa! Carrie's just as bad. She was trying to do laundry. She's like, "Oh, I have an idea. Let's do this." Like, you need power for that. Yeah, you're like trying to like turn on the light switch in the closet.
Well, that's just second nature.
Your snow day look is super cute with your braids. And Lacey looks like she's going to a winter gala or something. Why am I being hit with burritos? Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's the plan. Step 1 was shovel all of the snow out so we could actually get out of the house. Step 2 is gonna be try to brave the elements in the truck and get out of this neighborhood so we can go get something to eat. Okay, we made it safely downtown. Beautiful downtown Fredericksburg, covered in snow. All the trees are falling over. We're making our way. All right, here's some clear walkway. Okay, finally found somewhere where we can get something to eat. After you. So we're back home now. Sun's going down. Still no power. Got an idea. All right, Lost, you got the headlamp? Mm-hmm. So what you got? Your survival kit that you got for Christmas? Mm-hmm. All right, man. We're going to need to bust into that thing. All right, man.
The necklace one so we can hang them somewhere.
Yep. Okay. Survival kit. Just put it like on the countertop.
Okay.
Put one right there. Yep, that's good. And you can put yours in your bathroom. And we have one candle, which is helping for us to see some. We went to bed that night all in the same room, stay together, stay warm without power. We woke up the next day and there still wasn't power. Thankfully, there was still a room in a hotel not far from us downtown where we had eaten the day before. We were able to get there for a night, have a hot shower, but as you can see, our power is back on. Super thankful for that. I'll show you how the roads look now. Most snow we've gotten in a long time. Check it out. At least the roads are clear. A lot of people are still without power. A lot of people are still without heat and hard to get out of their neighborhoods. So our prayers and our thoughts are with them. It was a good reminder to take a quick pause. Going into the new year, I was feeling like, all right, we're gonna crush this work week. And then boom, this giant storm hit, which was an awesome reminder just to pause, count your blessings, don't get too far ahead of yourself. So thank you for watching. Thanks for keeping up with us. If you like this video, don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe. And as always, we promise to keep you posted. See you next time.
Okay. We went out for a walk. Now you can go back. Shake it out. Shake. Shake. Go on, Chase. Go on.